Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our brand new 2025 Forest River Flagstaff, and this is the 194MT tent camper. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. Okay, starting up front on the outside, you do have a nice pass-through storage here. Two 20-pound propane tanks. Does also have a spot for dual battery right behind the propane tanks. Pop out tent ends on the front and the back. City water connection and power cord hookup are on this side here. Spare tire on the back. And as we walk into the unit, you have storage right on the inside here. And this unit is equipped with a solar panel on the roof, so you do have a solar charge controller here. And then you've got your ceiling light switch and your awning light switch. Dinette right as we walk in. I've got that in bed mode right now. And then there's one of the main beds there. Windows all around. You do have a little kitchenette here with a sink and a refrigerator down below, and your furnace is directly to the right of that. This unit does also come with a gas griddle, which is right in that box there. Then smaller twin bed on this side. Couch, which will also pull out into a bed. And then below the couch is your air conditioner, which is right there. So it does have AC. You have a USB outlet and GFCI outlet there on that side. And then right by the table here, you have another outlet and USB there next to this bed. Do one more little walk around to the inside and the outside for you. Fantastic fan up above. There is also a large storage compartment up front here. Hard to see, but well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2025 Forest River Flagstaff 194MT tent camper, call or text at 218-229-7816. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.